Guys, ito na. Mingmings versus Jinsis. Ang laro ayun nga guys. Mingmings at Jinsis.
Jersey number 28, goal for 2.
Puro manig green guys.
5-13. Oras, last 5
Mingmings at
minutes.
Jinsis.
Edgar, Lobad. Rebound by jersey number 28, pass to jersey number 10, jersey number 7, jersey number 22. Double rebound by Kachila. Substitution run. Out in. In out. Jersey number 7. Ties with jersey number 20. Kachila. Lo Franco. Got for 2 by Lo Franco. 15. 5. 10-20 lead. Jersey number 7. Same ball. Oras, 4 minutos, 10 segundos.
Second quarter na
Jersey number 29. Novak, rebound by Beres. Pass to Rigamo. Cyrus Sailalim, goal for 2. Unsa kay nakaon na niya. Maka-shot man. DC City, 5. Dead ball. You score, DC City, 5. Rebound by jersey number 10. Pass by jersey number 29. Sailalim.
Nice pass.
City, DC City. Kachila, wati-wati moves. Tibon, no good. Same ball. Gamo.
Three.
No good. Ball by jersey number 0. Timeout.